Hello, today I'm going to show you how to Tunisian purl stitch. Let's get started. If you don't know how to Tunisian crochet, I have a link to my video on how to Tunisian crochet below. After you've made your first forward pass and return pass, you're going to be working in the second vertical loop. Remember that your first stitch is already on your hook. We're going to put the yarn in front of the hook and insert your hook from right to left. Yarn over, using your thumb to hold it down. Pull the loop through. So now put your yarn in front of your hook, insert from right to left, using your thumb, yarn over, and pull through. Keep repeating that until you reach the end of your row. Now when you reach the end of your row, there's no vertical bar to work through, so just make a knit stitch by putting your hook through the two loops, yarn over, and pull through. Now you need to make your return pass back. Yarn over, pull through one loop, and yarn over and pull through two. Keep repeating this until you have one loop on your hook. And that is how you make the Tunisian purl stitch.